Guys, I have very bad news. I just came back from my run and I just found out that my raffle did not work. As in, we had the raffle, but the sound did not record. So we have to do everything over again. No, I'm just kidding. I'll just tell you who won right now. I had to do it with one hand because I'm holding the phone with the other. Okay, so the winner of this medal, 50 year of the Soviet Army, this is an actual medal somebody wore, is Chad Anderson. Let's go see what he wrote. Yeah, it sucks it didn't work. I put in a lot of, well, these are reasonably amount of work, I'll be honest. And I tried to make them interesting, but doing the best we can. So let's go find this Chad Anderson. Right here, Chad Anderson. He's the winner. Right here, when is the giveaway? You probably saw it. So how do you claim it? You just, below this video, or the silent one that's 17 minutes long, just say I won, and then I will give you the directions how to claim it. 70 year of the Soviet Army medal. So 1988 issue is Alex Lawrence. So Sasha, I know you. You still have to follow the rules and claim it below this video. And then I'll send you the directions. So this is veteran badge and Mason Web bonus. Thank you for letting me know that the sound does not work. And I'm happy that you actually watched it towards the end. I'm so sorry it didn't work. I'm so thankful you told me it was broken. I'll double check if you got the directions, because they're copy and paste directions, but they don't work all the time. This one is Elijah Badgett. This is probably the best one. The Battle of Stalingrad, 30-year anniversary medal. To get this medal, you actually had to fight in the battle. And this is, the statue is hard to see. I can not really zoom in. But it's the world's tallest statue of a woman in Stalingrad. Also modern day Volgograd. They renamed it from Stalingrad to Volgograd, the old name. Most bloodiest battle in the world, mostly because the Soviets didn't let people evacuate and the Nazis like to kill people. They still do. So, Elijah Badgett. I think you won something before. You have a picture of the table. This is probably the best one. All right, so this is the last one. Riley Thomas. It's also a veteran badge. There's one badge that's not in it. I decided to take it out. Decided to keep it. Don't blame me, I can do it. It's my own badge, right? Okay, shipping wise, I will pay shipping to most civilized countries. So I ship to India. Where is it? Riley Thomas. All right. Riley Thomas. Enter me, please. If you're in and you won. So it sucks. No sound. I do have the head still here. The gun I put away. So next time I will work on the sound. Very nice. It'll be very nice. Very good. Guys, thank you for your support. If you did not subscribe and actually comment below and said nice things to me, it made me feel good. I would not make this video. So I'll keep making video. We're gonna do Pokemon card giveaway. We all love them. I love them. All you have to do is like, subscribe to my channel, and ask to be entered. That's all you have to do. And if you're subscribed, all you have to do is ask to be entered, and you'll be entered in my giveaway. So thank you for your support. If you want, comment below. I'll give you directions how to claim your item. Thank you very much.